Here we are at Cunningham Falls State Park. First time here, heading out in my kayak. Beautiful morning, June 25th, 2024. Never been here. Very cool and calm. Here, in between the two swimming areas, there's a little inlet where this probably leads up to the falls. Whenever you were away from the shore at all, the wind was terrible, and the audio, you couldn't hear myself talk, and it was just nothing but wind noise. That's why I put the music to it. It was a great day, but as soon as you got off the shore at all, it was too windy to hear anything. Really pretty. You hear the water run. I bet that goes up to where the falls are. I'll have to explore that later. Yep, there's some rocks under there, so I need to get out of here. And just heading back out to the swimming area. Okay, I'm heading back out. Have my usual kayaking outfit on, sun hat,
long sleeve shirt, and life vest. Two other people here are kayaking. It looks like they're going the way around the shore. Standing close to shore. It is windy when you get out in the middle. Another enjoyable day kayaking. This is the 5th or 6th time I've had this out. Since I've had it, Blue Mountain Outfitters, Marysville, Pennsylvania. Best place to go for kayaking. Heading back out. Some ducks, ducklings. It's a nice thing, you see all types of wildlife. Following them, they do pretty good. Don't want to scare them. God has a way of amazing. Mothers are mothers, whether they're human or animal. Look at that. I don't know if they're going to come off the water. What's it going to do? Cute. But you're going to go to that log and get up, or you're going to go around it. They're going around it. Really neat. Ducks are really the canoe's coming, so they need to get out of their kayak. More kayakers. Really neat. I guess I'll let them alone.
Other than the wind when you got out in the middle, and sometimes it was so bad you could hardly row against it, it was a very enjoyable day. There was 5 kayaks out there, and most of us stayed along the shore where it wasn't near as windy, although I did cross over several times because it did give you more of a workout, but it was way too windy to be enjoyable in the middle. But overall, a great day. Let's stop it here. Thanks for watching.